Let's see how the dialogue interaction works in this demo package. As I've showed you, when we interact with Jambi's character, a dialog box with a message will be shown in the game. Now if we find Jambi's game object in the scene, we can find the component that controls this behavior. Let's open the non-player character component script. Here, we can see that there is a display dialog method. And if we open our Ruby controller component script, we found in the update method the logic for calling that display dialog method. As you see, this method what is doing is setting active an object. That object is a canvas that contains a text inside with the message shown. That's how this system is currently working. To start with the improvement, let's add to our scene the Blartenix prototyping dialog UI controller prefab. This is a pre-configured controller to handle dialogues. You can find this inside the prototyping folder from Blartenix package. Then update the NPC component script. If you see, this prototyping dialog UI controller is a dialog UI controller base object, so in the NPC script, add a reference of this dialog UI controller. Don't forget to add the Blartenix Dialog System using statement. Save the script, and in the inspector set the reference. If we test it out, we are now only hiding and showing the dialog UI controller panel. There is no message nor logic. So, now create our dialog controller and copy and paste the displayed message in the first node. Then define the dialog actor, and that's all. Now inside the NPC script, After setting our Dialog UI panel visible, we call the Start Dialog method of the Dialog UI controller. As you see, this method requires a dialogator parameter. This is a component that we have to add to the character who has the conversation, in this case Jambai. Add the dialogator component to the Jambai game object and set the dialog controller property with the dialog controller we've created before. In the NPC script again, we need a reference to the dialogator component, so let's define it and send it as parameter of the start dialog method. Hit play and try it out. You can see now the Blartenix dialog system working.